Hi!
Hello!
Tita Ellie at Tita KY! Well, ano masasabi ko? All I can say is congratulations to you both. You deserve each other. Good luck on your new endeavor, and may God bless you both with plenty of babies, and as well as more blessings to you both.
Congratulations both. Alam niyo naman na gustong-gusto namin nandyan, pero we can't make it. But we'll catch you next year. We'll be there March of next year, so we'll look forward to catch you guys then, and we'll spend time together. But this is your night. You guys have the best night ever. Congratulations again. And alam naman namin na you guys magmamahalan kayo, and basta continue loving each other, and we'll see you guys next year. Have the best night, guys, okay? Kay Ellie, pare, magpakabait ka. You know why? Kasi kung hindi ka magpakabait, itong mangyayari sa'yo.
Bye! We love you guys!